Well, we're getting close to the top now. Got some mortar here. It's pretty soft. And what I want to show you is every time I put mortar on something, I'm using the spray bottle and I'm getting it wet because I know that the juices will grab. Now I'm trying to get it underneath that. So I could show you real quickly. It's just basically, I'll pull that one up a little bit. So it's just mud on there. What have I done there? I'll have to reset that one now. So I shouldn't. But anyway, we're just putting it on there. And the thing is, the trick is the water bottle is both sides. The tile. I spray the tile 1 minute, and 2 minutes later it's dry again. But you got to feed the tiles water so that the moisture won't get sucked out of. Yeah, perfect candidate for you getting it going again. Now, let's take some of this fresh mud. Stick that one back in there. I did have, I drilled a hole in this yesterday and put a nail in there to hold that in place. It's not a bad idea if you have the time to do that, because otherwise it's just really sitting on the concrete. I'm trying to tie these two tiles here all the way together, so that because otherwise the wall's got nothing holding the wall from bowing out or in. Okay, now what happened there? So I'm gonna get that big fat tile on there again. So where's the water bottle? More water on that tile. You guys be careful where you step. The hook's gonna be over that nail. The nail's gonna be over there. And I want just enough room. It looks like 2 tiles gonna fit in there, or is it just one? There's the water. Every time. There's the tile. And once that one's hooked in there, I'm gonna have to bring the big tile in because these are all gapped and I can't move any of them. I'm not gonna cut any of them. They're all just where they want to be. So what happens is that ideally I'd like for this tile to be a little bit further out. But it's not going to happen. See, there's overlap. I'm trying to get those to match, so we'll just have to make it up on the next one. That's all there is to it. Can't do any more. Okay. Jiggling it makes the concrete set a little bit. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It's always good to wiggle your concrete a little bit. I think it's getting close to 80 degrees out here now, which for England is pretty dang hot. It might even get hotter next week. And we don't have air conditioning at home, but my car does, so I'll sleep in my car. So it's time for another row. So now this was another full big tile and a halfer up there. Gotta go down and get those and restock for another row. And I've only got that one little pile of new bricks left. So that's, say, half a row, or maybe one full row. So I got to get enough. It's like 36. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 18. So I need 36 tiles. Okay. Hot stuff. Drinking lemonade not lemonade. Well, they call it lemonade in England sometimes. 7-Up with cherry 7-Up. Talk to you later.